Welcome to TrueReviews, your go-to source for honest, unbiased, and 100% authentic reviews of financial brokers. We cut through the marketing noise to provide real insights on trading platforms, fees, security, and user experiences, so you can make informed decisions. Whether you're a beginner or a pro trader, our in-depth reviews help you find the right broker for your needs. No sponsorships, no hidden agendas, just transparent and factual reviews. Today is July 12th, 2025, and we're examining City Index. On the regulatory front, City Index is overseen by the UK's FCA, Australia's ASIC, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, and others. That extensive oversight offers solid protection, but regulators alone don't guarantee smooth trading. Instrument-wise, City Index offers over 12,000 products: FX, indices, shares, cryptocurrencies, commodities, treasuries, and even options. It's a buffet for traders with varied strategies, though serious options, users might find the offering basic. Platforms include their sophisticated Advantage Web Trader, desktop platform AT Pro, and mobile app. They also support MetaTrader 4 for Forex and CFDs. No MT5 though, so advanced traders lose out on some algorithmic features, but the rest get strong charting, alerts, and order types. They don't have a proprietary app beyond WebTrader, but their in-house platforms are feature-rich. Smart traders will appreciate customizable grids, live news feeds, smart orders, but algo fans may feel hamstrung without MT5. As of today, Trustpilot reviews average around 3.8 from 1,800 plus users. Regular praises for solid platform and depth, while complaints focus on sluggish withdrawals and occasional platform bugs. On Google Play, the app scores 4.2, though many reviews criticize recent UI changes and slow support response. On Apple App Store, it holds 4.3 with commendations for charting tools, yet some users report crashes during volatile sessions. Customer service draws a mixed bag. Many traders appreciate knowledgeable UK-based support teams, fast on refundable funds, and detailed troubleshooting. On the flip side, there's a stream of complaints about delayed withdrawals, strict margin calls, and occasional account lockouts requiring lengthy verification. City Index offers a demo account with $10,000 virtual funds, unlimited in time. That's a serious plus. You can test platform tools, execution, spreads, and trade sizes. But as always, demo mode misses real-world slippage, emotional pressure, and withdrawal timelines. Conclusion: City Index is a heavyweight broker with strong regulation, a vast instrument suite, and quality platforms. But missing MT5, mixed user reviews, and some service hiccups mean it's not flawless. If you're evaluating brokers, start with a demo, test withdrawals, deliberately pressure the platform, and see if their service holds up. And if you appreciate straight talk reviews, subscribe, try that demo, and get ready for our next unfiltered broker breakdown.